Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with a video response for Kim, or Kimmy, as you know her on my channel, who is Vintage Rose Creations. And it's been a while since Kimmy's done any videos, but she is coming back, and she's going to be doing videos, and she's coming back, and she's starting her channel back up again with a challenge, and I'm really excited about it. She's looking for ephemera. She wants to start doing some junk journals, and so she's really excited about learning the junk journaling process, which I love doing, as you know. And she's asking for some ephemera that is either shabby in nature, like shabby chic, or vintage, or Paris theme. So I've created some ephemera for her, which are more junk journal style ephemera. But she's got some examples in her video that she can show you. And I'm going to have a link to the video in the description box below for you guys, so you can go over and check it out. Ephemera is a super easy challenge to do because it's small and flat and you can fit it in a small envelope. I made this bag for Kim as well because we are friends, so I decided to make the bag. You don't have to do that. But I did do this in a Paris theme, and I used this really pretty Paris fabric from my stash, which is one of my favorites, and I did it in a black and turquoise color. And so that's the bag. I won't go into too much detail because that's not the challenge. But inside, I've added some of the ephemera that I have made, and I think she's only asking for 6 pieces, but I did do a few extra. I also made her some of my embellishments, my round embellishments. I made her some of those because she loves roses. These are a French, let's see, what does it say? Yeah, it's like a pharmacy. It's a rose. It's an advertisement for a pharmacy, but it has roses on it. I just thought they were super pretty. So I made her some of those to add to her journals. And I also made her some pockets. These can be tucks or pockets in a journal, or pardon me, corners. So they look like this, and you can add them to the corner of your junk journal page. And then you can use them as a tuck to put something behind if you like, or just to decorate at the corner of a tag or anything. So I've made these, and I used the really cute little Tim Holtz paper dolls. So there's 3 of those. Look at this little girl, she's so adorable. And I used vintage book paper and music paper, and I sewed all around, and there's actually a heart out of paper, like tea-dyed paper or music paper behind the little images there. So I have 3 of those. And then I printed her off some tags, some shabby tags, and I sewed all the way around them, and a couple of them I just put a little flower on the bottom. And they've got roses on them as well, so they're kind of shabby, which is what she asked for. So there's those, and these ones I just kind of left plain so they can be added to her journals. And then I also made this little booklet of this really pretty shabby picture, and it says French Rose there, and I used some of my tea-dyed paper, so it's just like a little booklet that somebody can journal in, or Kim can journal in when she makes her first junk journal. And then I have a little piece here of ephemera with a tiny piece of vintage lace, and I sewed it all around, and it's got tea-dyed paper on the background. And then I've done this one with the Eiffel Tower and some lace and some vintage music paper, all sewn. And then this one with this, one of my favorite images, and some vintage lace and fabric, and I sewed around that as well. So these look really nice in a junk journal. And I love this image. This is probably my favorite. I absolutely love this little girl. And her hat is like this beautiful purpley wine color. It's super pretty, and I've sewn around it, and I added some lace to the back, and that just looks so pretty on a page in a junk journal. And she could actually use it for a pocket, and you could take one of the tags if you made that into a pocket, and you could just slip it back here in a book. So that would make a really cute pocket in a junk journal if you did that. So there's that piece, and then last but not least, another one of my favorite Parisian images with some vintage lace and some shabby fabric. So that's the ephemera that I will be sending you, Kimmy, and I hope that you like it. It was fun to make. I love making junk journal ephemera. So guys, go over and check out Kim's challenge, and I hope that you will all join in. I'm so glad she's back doing videos. It's going to be fun for her, I think, and fun for the rest of us, and hopefully we can get her to go live on her channel one day. So thanks for watching, everybody, and go follow the links in the description box, and I will be back soon with another video. Bye!